If you watched a previous video, you would know that I have a Polo Vivo project that I'm working on, and this car definitely doesn't have little damage. It has a lot of damage. So to recap, the engine of this car has been torn apart into pieces. As you can see, there's no engine inside the bonnet, it's empty. And as you can see, the car is not in good condition. In fact, it's kind of in the worst condition I've ever seen of a car. And I don't want to start off in a major project. I'm going to start off small and go up as time goes. Just little by little. With some smaller dents, larger dents, and worst case scenario, I could have fixed the engine if I could. I'm not a mechanic at all. And if possible, we could have fixed the engine block that looks like this. Bro, just look at how rusty this thing is. Like, way too rusty. It's way too rusty. Yeah, I'll show you the hole here. And there's a hole somewhere here. There's it. Which I highly doubt is fixable with that huge hole. Yeah guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning and we're about to head to Durban and buy a new engine. So, gonna see how it goes. Not this, you know, this dead thing. Yeah. Hope you travel safe. Let's get it. Well, my brother and I are going to Durban. Hopefully as we enjoy our trip, I won't get a copyright strike because this is not my song. And you definitely know this song. But I hope you have fun listening to it. But I definitely think I'm going to get a copyright strike. But who cares because I'm not getting paid doing this. But it's fine. Now it's time to watch ourselves. What's he gonna do in 5 years time? Yes, I'm also including you, but definitely 5 years or maybe less. Hopefully. Dog. Ja, stress. Oh ja? Ja. Oh ja? I mean, bro, come on. Even the truck driver was impressed by this M4. Eventually, we came to a destination where we can find a new second-hand engine.
We there.
This me. Come on and subscribe, gents, so I can afford one of these cars. Once I reach 500,000 subscribers, I can promise you one thing. I'll give away a car, maybe this RS3 for free. That's if you subscribe. Well, honestly, I'll say subscribe if you're enjoying the video, but it is what it is. It's a promise. One day, one Sunday.
Conviction model from my God, 2020 model. You already didn't go home beside me. 20 years old.
Almost late. Yeah. So eventually my brother paused the engine. This Golf 7R was from someone I know who lived around our area. It's sad looking at his car like this when he got in an accident. I wasn't expecting to find his car here. May his soul rest in peace. Yeah, shout out to the store. Done better than anything. So I thought, but things took a turn. Yeah guys, I got some bad news. It didn't go according to plan, so the engine's gonna come next week. Yeah, we're gonna wait until the mechanic checks the engine if it's alright or something, and then he's gonna tell us when he's coming, and then yeah, we're gonna take him from there. We bought the engine, and then the guy said, let's go to another store. We're gonna find the engine that we want for the Polo Vivo. And then when we get there, the mechanic wasn't happy. That engine leaks oil. It's kind of risky to buy it. When we want to get back to the store where we bought the engine, it was closed. They said it must come back next week. So I think we reached the end of the road. Hopefully in another episode, we're gonna touch the engine, or in fact get a new engine. Hopefully. Yeah, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and you could see the progress on how much we're doing on this Polo. So let's hope we're gonna get a new engine, and hopefully gonna put it in the car and it's gonna start and drive well. See you on the next one. Peace.